is stuck in there pretty damn well. I don't even know if this is gonna get the chain off, but we're gonna try and salvage the chain. I think the chain's still in one piece. Can't really tell. There we go. Well, the chain needs inspecting, that's for sure. There's minimal damage to the engine, only scratches. It completely broke off this clutch pin, which I'm gonna have to look into how to get it out. But we can tighten this back on. I put it in gear, of course. I'm gonna have to make some kind of a guard so that if this happens again, it won't do what it did. That's just a scratch. It's not even that deep. It looks deep, but it's not deep at all. Lucky. We got lucky there. There you go. As you can see, the weld held up and it just broke again past the weld. So we welded it 2 times. Each time the weld was stronger, and you can see it's just getting longer. Yeah, so might have to think of something else. What is that? 20mm rod? Here is what I was thinking of making the driveline out of. 50mm solid bar. I was thinking of making it out of 50 and then seeing how that goes. I think that would make it bulletproof. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a metal chain cover that protects the whole engine and the water pump for next time, because there's plenty of room around there. So what I'll be doing is I'll make a metal cover that protects everything aluminium. So if the chain comes off, or if the chain does what it did, the only thing will break is the clutch push rod, and that's it. Because right now we broke the water pump cover, we scratched the engine a little bit, which isn't a big deal, and we broke off one of the clutch push rod housing bolts. So what I'll do is I'll have to bolt that housing from the outside, from the frame somehow, just to keep it stable. But yeah, we'll do a lot of reinforcing. See how we go after.